Luca has a fascination with techno music. Okay, now this is what I'm really here to film. Watch as someone eats rice cereal with applesauce. Okay. She loves it. Ready? Okay, hold on. That was not as bad of a reaction as she's been giving. She loves it. Luca, are you a dance machine? No, you're just navigating Tata's laptop? Oh, the weather. Cool. Yeah. It's yummy, huh? What letters? Can you push pause? I can't hear you. Just for a sec. Okay, what are you doing? What are you looking at?